Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how to adding sound in the CapCut apps. So I already have one project here. Sorry. And to adding sound in the CapCut apps, we can select audio, select sound. So appears the several option. You can select sound from TikTok. You can select sound from your files, from a library. You can extract sound from the video. Just click extract sound from video here, and you can select sound available here. So for example, I'm gonna select this one. Alright, so the sound has been added to the track. So easy, right? That's all I can say, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. So thank you so much for watching.